I'm the head of education here at Johnson & Johnson Institute, and our responsibility is to train surgeons all around the world. Today, we have a real problem that on a global basis, there's not enough access to safe healthcare because we don't have enough surgeons trained. VR tools like Oculus can help us solve this global crisis.
With Oculus and VR, it's allowed us to really shrink the time in which we can put somebody into an experience. We can now immerse them into hundreds of different actual life scenarios. So from day one, they're providing much more empathy to our customer. And so at the end of the day, it's allowing us to provide a better experience.
At DHL Express, we ship around 5 million shipments a week. And to do that, we have to build what we call unit load devices. And this is where VR is invaluable. We can send people into an immersive world and they can be safe and they can go through the process of building this unit load device. And that's where VR really works for us as a business.
So the potential for AR/VR in our company comes back to our core business, which is meeting the world's energy needs with highly complex operations. Fundamentally, the most important commitment ExxonMobil has is to operate our facilities safely and reliably around the world. This technology helps us ensure we deliver on that commitment.
In our industry, our operators are exposed to daily tasks that are extremely high risk. With VR, we can get them prepared and trained for those tasks. If that helps us save lives, it's paid for itself.
So at Tailspin, the whole point of starting the company was to take advantage of what's possible in VR and how that was going to change the workforce. For us, Oculus is part of our origin story.
We were lucky enough to collaborate with Tailspin and really be the first in insurance that we're aware of to use this kind of technology.
The biggest barrier to proper use of simulation within healthcare is not one of realism and fidelity, it's one of access. It is an incredibly powerful technology that will affect us from Los Angeles to New York to Western Africa to Southeast Asia.
I actually think Oculus and virtual reality is going to be the way that we train many parts of our healthcare systems around the world.
Oculus enables DHL Express to scale up any implementation around the world that we've never been able to do before.
Standalone headset, because the total cost of ownership is less, allows us to touch a lot more people. We can move it around, we can get to more people, and in the end, impact a lot more of our employee workforce using this technology and the power of it.
And it's critical that we have partners like Oculus to create that wonderful platform where we can then deliver our virtual reality content to anybody, anywhere, and at any time.